Try these. Crazy pitch from this bad boy. Try that next. This is the Chupito prop. Azure 6145 BSP prop. And you can see. Line it up. Let's see how it does.
It worked. It worked. Alright, Mr. Pringle. Chill. Oh yeah, this feels good. There's no wind today. Oh yeah, this feels nasty. Hell yeah. Well, that was fun. Nice, got most of it too. See how bad it is. Oh yeah. Leo, did you bite it?